Hello everyone, I am Dr. Diron. This video is going to be my food series 2. Last time, if you have missed my video, just please go and check for the food series 1. For last video, I have discussed about the food and its classification until the macronutrients. I have talked about that. And in this video, I'm going to talk about from micronutrients. Micronutrients, when we talk about micronutrients, they are vitamins and minerals. When we talk about the vitamins, we classify the vitamins into fat-soluble vitamins and water-soluble vitamins. Fat-soluble vitamins are known as vitamin A, D, E, K, and the water-soluble vitamins are vitamin C and vitamin B complex. When we talk about the fat-soluble vitamins, these vitamins are needed for our body, and these vitamins we are just getting from the outside sources, from our dietary stuff such as dark green leafy vegetables and meat, especially the kidney and the heart of the animals, and milk and fortified milk. These are the things that we can get, or we can get these fat soluble vitamins such as vitamin A, D, E, K. This vitamin A, D, E, K, why do we call them as fat-soluble vitamins? They need dietary fat to be absorbed into the body. So without dietary fat, we won't be able to get those vitamins inside our body. And these vitamins are stored in our body as well. So whenever we need from the storage, we can get them and utilize as well. So that's why the fat-soluble vitamins are very important to our body. Remember, whenever we take the fat-soluble vitamins, we are not supposed to take blindly. Rather, we have to check the levels of the fat-soluble vitamins such as A, D, E, K, because the taking unnecessary or over these vitamins can lead to toxicity. So better check your levels of A, D, E, K and go for the dietary supplements or anything. This vitamin A is responsible for the eye. Vitamin D is responsible for the bone. So vitamin E is responsible for your cellular functions, and vitamin K is responsible for the clotting factors and muscles. So these vitamins are necessary for our body. When these vitamins are deficient in our body, they may lead to some diseases, deficiency disorders, such as vitamin A deficiency will lead to night blindness. Vitamin D will lead to rickets and osteomalacia. Vitamin E will lead to fertility disorders, and vitamin K will lead to clotting disorders. These are all about the fat-soluble vitamins. When we come to water-soluble vitamins, those are vitamin C and vitamin B complex. They are not stored like fat-soluble vitamins. So because of that, we have to take it regularly, we have to consume regularly. And this vitamin C and vitamin B are related to energy productions and skin, and and these vitamins are very necessary for the absorption and utilization of the macronutrients such as fat, carbohydrate, and protein. These vitamin C and these vitamin B complex are rich in fruits, citrus fruit, and other foods, as well as the cereals, milk and meat, fish, etc. Since vitamin C and vitamin B complex are needed to our body as well as for various functions, when there is a deficiency, of course we are going to get deficiency disorders. So when the vitamin C is lacked from our body, we will develop scurvy. And when we talk about vitamin B complex, there are plenty of vitamin B complex. There are vitamin B1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 12, 17, etc. So when we talk about vitamin B1 deficiency, we will develop beriberi. When we talk about vitamin B3 deficiency, we will develop pellagoda. Vitamin B6 deficiency will lead to anemia. Vitamin B12 deficiency again will lead to megaloblastic anemia. Vitamin B17 deficiency will lead to some cancer disorder. So remember, these vitamins are very important for our body. And when we are not taking through the diets, sometimes we may need to take through the dietary supplements. Check your levels, take up to the level. Don't go overtake blindly, because fat soluble vitamins may lead to toxicity. So keep your vitamins up to date in your body for your proper physiological function of your body. I hope this video will be very useful for you. We'll talk to you. I will talk about more about food in this series on my next video. Thank you.